Hey, it's John Furman here from Bub and Mother's. I've got my McDaniel College sweatshirt on. It's a little bit chilly up here in Maine. In fact, we had some mixed snow and rain just yesterday. So, with the temperature changing, giving up that good outdoor flavor that you get from a grill or a smoker, for some people is reality. But if you guys are using Bub and Mother's, you'll find that you can use this indoors or out and still get great barbecue taste. The reason is we use a ton of great ingredients, high quality, and the good portion, the special part, located right here in Maine. You know, our dried blueberry powder, maple syrup crystals, and our custom ground dry mustard. Man, it makes all the difference in the world. But we're a business, and we want to give you guys some incentive to get out there and give us a try. So we're having a cooking contest. All right. Now, some of you know we've been running a special on our new cookbook. You know, order 4 of these and get the book for free. But the reality is, you know, we have a few simple recipes in here, probably 20, 25, and we'd like to get bigger. So we want your recipes. And that's why Bub and Mother's Down East Dinner Dust is announcing our first big cooking contest. Now, it's designed primarily for people out there that don't necessarily have access to barbecue grills, but the reality is we're looking for recipes. Our recipes that we like to have are recipes that can be cooked indoors or out, but get creative. The only rule that we have in your recipes is that you use Bub and Mother's as one of the prime ingredients. Whether you use it in a dressing or a sauce or simply as a rub, inject it, let your imagination go wild. I've gotten emails from so many people using Bub and Mother's on things we never thought possible. We've got people mixing it with their eggs in the morning. We've got a guy out in Indiana using it on popcorn. It's incredible. Take a look, go to bubandmothers.com and check our gallery, and you'll see photos. Some of them are standard barbecue fare, and others are some very interesting comments that people have left us. So, starting now until December 15th, that's the deadline, all we ask you to do is cook up your recipe. Again, be as creative and as crazy as you want to be. Take a picture of the finished product after it's all cooked with your Bub and Mother's in the picture. Send it to us along with the recipe, and our team will judge. We're going to have a prize. First place is going to be $500 in cash, a year's supply of Bub and Mother's, and that recipe is going to appear in our next cookbook. Second place is going to be $300 in cash, a 4-pack, and also inclusion in the book, as is third place. We're now going to be adding to it. This is the first time we're announcing it. We're going to have some honorable mentions, and we've got some Bub and Mother's T-shirts, men's and women's, that will be given away to 4th through 8th place. And all of those recipes also are going to be placed in our next cookbook. So really, get out there, get creative, learn the taste, get a taste profile. You'll see that you can use Bub and Mother's on so many different things other than your standard pork, beef, and chicken. We're good on seafood. We've got some broiled scallops. We sprinkle a little bit on top, wrap it in bacon. Oh, it's awesome. We've got some breakfast meals. We've got a recipe in the cookbook, how to make your own barbecue sauce, how to make a dressing for your coleslaw with just mayonnaise and Bub and Mother's. So, really, folks, get out there, head on over to bubandmothers.com, order your rub, and get cooking. Thanks. Have an awesome day.